Good evening, class.
Good evening, Teacher Zaira.
So, how are you today?
Okay.
Okay. Okay, so, karon kaning magpaila-ila ta. So, ako na. So, I am teacher Zaira. You can call me teacher Z. And I will be teaching you today. So, natay lesson karon. So, next is kisay mo ngalan? Kanin. Kisay ngalan ni Nimo? John Ray. Kinsa ba imong pangalan?
Israel.
Israel. Okay, thank you everyone. So karon kabalo ba mo unsa ang letters? Tagay kog example sa letters. A, very good. Next. Unsa pa nga letters?
B.
B, unsa pa?
A.
C. O, P.
O.
O.
N. M.
Muna siya ang mga
Letters.
So karon kay we will have I will show you letters and you will tell me what letter it is. Understand? Okay, first, what
A.
letter is this?
A.
This is letter A. Okay, what is the sounds of letter A? What is the sound of letter A? Very good. A stands for
Apple.
apple. Okay. Favorite ba ninyo ang apple? Ano ganahan mo apple?
Stanza.
Masustansya. Healthy no? Para sa atong body. Next. Ano siya?
B.
B. B is for? Okay, what is the sounds of letter B? Very good. It's what again? What's the sound of letter B? Okay, very good. And B stands for
Butterfly.
Butterfly. What's the letter nga start sa butterfly?
B.
B. Very good. What about this one?
Ball.
Ball. Very good. Okay. Now, how about this one?
C.
C. C stands for
A.
egg. So, unsa pa ang makita nimo sa palibot?
Hindi.
Oh, very good. Nga start og letter C. Ikaw.
Carrot.
Very good. Now, ikaw.
Car.
Car. Very good. Ikaw. Oh, very good. Ikaw. Okay. So nalimot siya daw, nalimot. Again, unsa ni na letter?
C.
C. Very good. Next one. This one.
D.
D. What is the sound of letter D? Very good. It's very good. Now, tagay ko og makita ninyo dakon sa palibot nga start og letter D.
Dice.
Guys,
Dog.
Duck. Okay.
Dress.
Dress. Oh, very
Dog.
good.
Diamond. Dog.
Dog.
Diamond.
Diamond. Very
Dog.
good. Ano pa? Done? Very good. So, next is,
A.
this is letter E. So, what is the sound of letter E? It's N. So, basta. So, man na siya. So, unsa man nga, yeah, matanabot ko ha. Unsa man nga, tagay ko pangalan nga start og letter A.
Ila.
Ila, very good.
Egg.
Okay, ikaw. Oh, very good, very good. Next.
F.
F. What is the sound of letter F? Very good. Now, again, unsa ang tagay ko dapat og example nga start og mga makita dapat nato sa palibot nga start og letter F.
Rice.
It's rice.
Fire.
Fish, very good. Fish. Ang fish kay
Flower.
ginasudan na dato, di ba?
Flower.
Flower.
One.
Asa makita ang flower gani? Sa garden. Very good. Very good. Namin na. Okay, G. This is letter G. Now, what is the sound of letter G? Very good. It's good. And then, what is this?
Gas.
Grass. What is this?
G.
What is this?
Blue.
What is this?
Garlic. Loves. Garlic.
Very good. Very good. What is this again? What letter is this?
G.
G. Very good. How about this one?
H.
H. Unsa man ang imong nakauna nga start og letter H?
Hamburger.
Hamburger. Lami.
Kami.
Very good. Unsa pa?
Hammer.
Heart. Unsa pa?
Hammer. House.
Unsa man ang hammer?
Martilyo.
Very good.
House.
House. Unsa ang house?
Balay.
Asa ka puyo?
Balay.
Very good. Next.
I.
I. So, basta.
Iglo. Insect.
Unsa ang insect?
Mga kuwan. Sapat.
Very good. Very good. Very good. Unsa pa?
Iguana.
Very good. Again, unsa ning letter?
I.
I. Next.
J.
J. J is for?
Jar. Jump.
Very good. Very good.
Jump.
Unsa ang jump?
Lokso.
So, very good. How about this one? What is
Jelly.
Jelly. Nakakaon na ba mo? Ani?
Kao na.
Na favorite pa to ninyo. Very good. Next.
K.
Okay. What? Unsa inyong nakita karon nga the start of letter K?
Keyboard.
Keyboard. Very good. Ano pa?
Kiwi.
Kahit. Unsa man ni guys, di ba ginagama ni
Talabanog. Kiwi.
Talupat. Okay. Unsa ni mo pagama ang imong talupat?
Vaccine ko yan. Tulubat ako.
Dayon.
Tulubat.
Very good. What is this? What letter is this?
K.
K.
A. Very good. What is the sound of letter K? Very good. Next.
L.
L.
This is
L.
letter
L.
Very good. Now, what is this?
Lips. Lizard.
Unsa ang lizard?
Toko.
Okay.
Altiki.
Lizard is sticky. Okay. How about this one?
Layon.
Lion. What is this? How about this one?
Lam.
Lamb. Asa ka na ginagamit ang lamb?
Bukid.
Bukid. Nanong sila magamit ang lamb?
Ay, wala kurente.
Kaya wala kurente. Very good. Next. Unsa man siya?
Lit.
Unsa man na siya?
Dahon.
Taon. Lan ang baka.
Ah. Tig pa kaon kag bakal. Dahon. Very good. Unsa na din eh?
L.
L.
L. Next.
Stem.
M.
M. Can you read?
Milk.
Milk.
Mag.
Mangga.
Very good. Ikaw na mamumento?
Oh,
Kakao na.
po.
Sige, magpunto. What is this again?
M.
M. How about this one?
N.
N.
Nose.
Nose.
Nest. Nuts. Net. Notebooks. Stars.
Kapitan na bamboo. Asa dapat inyong nose?
Ilog.
Very good. What letter is this again?
N.
N. What is the sound of the letter N? Okay. Next.
O.
O.
Oven. Orange. Oil. Octopus.
Very good. Next.
P.
P. What is the sound of the P? Oh, good one. That's P. Now?
Pizza. 5. 1. Parrot. 10.
Very good. What letter is this again?
P.
P. Again?
P.
Very good. How about this one?
Q.
U. Kagay ko,
Win.
bigyan ko ni mo.
Quiet. Question mark.
Ayun.
Well. Oh.
Kill.
Ay.
That's kill.
Ang likod. Ayop.
Ano saan mo gamit ng question mark? Kung?
Nakutana ka.
Very good, very good. Kasi mo ngalan?
Israel nila mo.
Very good kasi Jisrael. And so you are. Okay, next.
R.
R. Kasi saan yung favorite na letter? Favorite niya na letter kasi saan yung ngalan? Aril. Okay, favorite na yun na letter ni
Aril.
Okay, now. Can you read?
Rabbit. Ring. Rainbow. Rain. Black.
What's the letter?
R.
What is the sound of letter R?
R.
Very good. Again. Okay, very good. Now, next.
S.
S. What is the sound of letter S? Very good. Now, kagay ko animals. With the start with
Snake.
letter S. Very
Spider.
good.
Spider.
Okay,
Sun.
can be. Ikaw? Snake. Very good. Sun. Ayun sa kanina.
Strawberry.
Very good. Sa kanina, strawberry.
Pagkaon.
Butas.
That's very good. Now, this one.
T.
T. T. What is the sound of letter T? Very good. It's okay. T is for. Okay. Can you read this?
Toys. Pen. Tree. Tiger. Teacher. Toothbrush.
Okay. Again, what letter is this?
T.
This is letter
T.
Very good. Sound of letter T. Very good. Name.
U.
U. What is this?
Uncle.
Umbrella.
Ano? Anapi. Underwear.
What's ang underwear?
Pant.
Okay. Now, what is this? Again?
Bulyo.
U.
U. Unsa man ang naani mo nga start og U.
Umbrella.
Kung na siya payo, na siya umbrella ikaw.
Angkol.
Napo kay uncle ikaw.
Underwear.
Oh, yes, na atay tanang underwear. Kaya na siya si Haril na ay unsa to? Na ay umbrella na ay
Uncle.
na pay uncle. Ikaw na atay underwear. Si Haril ay underwear. Ikaw? Okay, na siya kuan na siya
Kalagot.
dili ka na.
Kalagot na. Dili siya happy.
Dili siya happy daw. Pero okay na. Okay, what letter is this again?
U.
U. Okay. Next.
B.
B. What is this?
Base.
Van.
What is this?
Violet.
What is this?
Van. Desk.
Fruit.
Vegetable.
Vegetables. Kung mukaon tag vegetables, unsay mahimo na sa unsay mahimo sa vegetables sa atong lawas?
Mga tambok.
Makatambok.
Unsa pa?
Mga taro sa atong lawas.
Very good. Very good kayo mga students na ko. Gapo great pa jud. Next.
W.
W. What is your favorite fruit nga the start of W?
Watermelon.
Watermelon.
Oh, favorite din yung watermelon. Unsa ni siya?
W.
W. W.
W.
Okay, what's this again?
W.
Very good. Now this one.
X.
X. Okay, what's this?
X-ray. Xylophone. Xerox machine.
Kabalo mo ang Xerox machine.
Ako na
Kita
yan.
na mo og Xerox machine. Okay, very good. Okay, next.
Y.
Y.
What color is this?
Yellow.
Yellow. Yellow starts with letter
Y.
Y. Very good. How about this
Yoyo.
one?
Yo-yo.
Okay, very good. This next is
Yogurt.
yogurt. Next is yolk.
Yolk.
Kabalo ba mo sa yolk? Yolk. Kabantay mo sa itlog pag makaon mo. Naa yellow sa tunga. Muna siya yolk. Nya, kada siya is very masustansya na siya pagkakaon. Again, unsa ni siya?
Yok.
Unsa tong yellow nga nato na sa itlog?
Yok.
Very good. Now this one.
Zebra.
Z.
What color? What letter is this?
Z.
Z. Very good. What is this?
Zero.
Zero starts with letter?
Z.
Z.
Very good. How about this?
Zigzag.
Zigzag. How about this?
Zebra.
Zebra is a animal. Okay.
Zephyr.
So now that we're done, do you understand or are you familiar with the kuan kani? Na-familiarize na ba ninyo? Kabalo na ba mo? Kabalo na ba mo? Sige. Kabalo na ba mo asa ang sa letter A, sa letter B, sige go. Ako yan na ang cards, then kamo na mo sulti sa letter. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go.
A. B. C. D. E.
Kusga.
F. J. 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 J.
Very good.
H. H. I. J. K. L. M. N. O. P. Q. R. S. T. U. V.
W.
W. X.
X.
Y. Z.
Very good. Everyone kay nakasabot na sa atong lesson. Keep your things. Keep your things na and then we will go home na. Okay, go. Keep your things. Okay. Goodbye class.
Goodbye and thank you, teacher. Goodbye.